So in this video, we're going to talk about doing an assembly. So we need to attach the cabin, which is here, to the top of the boat hull. So what we're going to do, we're going to go File, New, and we're going to come to the assembly section, which is under where the parts are, and we're going to select Standard Millimeter and press Create. And what we're going to do is we're going to come up to the top left-hand corner and we're going to select Place. Now you need to find your parts. Now, little hint, if you've got multiple parts with multiple names, make sure that you press on the part you've got and you should get a little picture here. Now, as you can see, I have another part here called Boat Hull and there's nothing there. That means there's actually no object. So if you select that, nothing's going to come up. So I'm going to select Boat Hull 1, press Open, and it looks pretty big. So we're going to adjust our view so we can see what we got. And as you can see, I've sort of got this shadow view of my boat hull. Now left click, and it's going to place a view. Now, what do I do with this other shadow one? I've got two options. I can press Escape on the keyboard, or I can right click and just hit OK. Now you want to rotate your view so you can see your part nice and clearly. Now we need to place our other parts as well. Now we're only doing the cabin at this point, so I'm going to press Open for the cabin. I'm going to left click, and then I'm going to press Escape on the keyboard. Now assembly, it's not too difficult, but we want to try and minimize the amount of steps that we do. So up here under the Assembly tab, there's going to be a couple of functions. Now we're mainly going to be using Constrain. So if you hover over Constrain, it's going to give you some instructions, but I'm going to show you what to do. So we press Constrain, okay? And you're going to have to treat the parts like it's a three-dimensional environment. So we've got two main options. We've got Mate and Flush. And we've got little pictures there to demonstrate what they do. So I'm going to click Mate first. I'm going to rotate my view. I'm going to select the bottom part of my cabin. And then I'm going to select the top section where I want it to go. And immediately it snaps. Okay, that's good. I'm going to press Apply. I now want to line it up with the cabin with this very front edge we can see here. And I want to make sure this side is stuck to this side. So it's lined up. I'm going to press Flush. I'm going to select this surface and then this surface. And it shifts it forward. I'm going to press Apply. I'm going to do the same here and here. Now, I don't know if you saw that, but back here in this little corner, it moved backwards just a little bit. I'm going to press Apply. Okay. Now that that's done, I can close this window and I can press Save. And you need to save version. So we're going to call this Boat Assembly, and we're going to press Save. And then we're done.